Hi, in front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this REALME. Firstly, find clock and tap on it. Then select this plus icon at the top right corner and set up an hour. You can choose ring once and tap save right away, but you can also tap on custom, choose repeat and select days of the week. I will go with every Monday and Wednesday. Then go back, choose alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to. After that, click on More and tap on the switches next to Vibrate and Snooze to disable or enable these features. After that, click on Ringtone and pick one of these melodies after clicking Allow by clicking on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on Ringtone again. If you don't want to see this pop-up every time, tap on Don't Ask Again and choose Allow. Now choose Select from Files and pick music from your device by clicking on the chosen song and going back. If you want to save your alarm, click at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and choosing one of the options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, tap on Edit at the top left corner, click on Chosen Alarm and choose Delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!